Hi, I'm Rebecca from Little Adventure Shop, and in this video I'm going to compare the Osprey Poco Baby Carrier with the Osprey Poco Premium Baby Carrier. Okay, before we get going, just a bit of background. So this Osprey Poco and the Osprey Poco Premium were released in 2025. If you are not sure which version you have, quick tip, if it's this colour green, you'll have the new version. If it's this colour of blue, then it will be one of the older version. It will be either the Osprey Poco or the Osprey Poco Plus. And if you have a black baby carrier, the quick way to tell is that this taping here will either be, if it's a gunmetal grey, it will be the new version, and if it is closer to white, it will be the old version. So that will be the Osprey Poco Plus or the Osprey Poco. Okay, just got that out of the way. So we're focusing here on the brand new 2025 version. Let's start with a few stats. So in terms of weight, the Osprey Poco here weighs 3.48 kilos or 7.69 pounds. And if you want a more in-depth review of this particular carrier, have a look at this video here where we take a bit more time and just focus on this one. And this carrier here weighs 3.78 kilos, which is about 8.34 pounds. And again, if you just want more information on this video, have a look, this carrier, sorry, have a look at this video up here. Okay, so let's start with the storage capabilities, because this is quite a big difference between the two. This carrier, the Poco, can hold 24 litres, whereas this one can hold 36 litres. So I'll start by showing you where the differences are. So underseat pocket is the same in both of them. There's quite a big difference here. If I turn it sideways, you'll be able to see it better. So you can see the Premium's got this whole pouch here, plus a mesh pocket, whereas the Poco has just a small pocket there, sort of mobile cell phone size, and the mesh pocket as well. If we turn it round on the side, you see you don't have any pockets here, and there's no pockets here, whereas on the Premium you've got one of these mesh pockets on both sides, and you've also got further mesh pockets at the top on both sides as well. And then finally on the hip belt at the front, on the standard Poco you have mesh sleeve pockets, and on the Premium you've got two zip pockets, and one of them, not that one, must be this one, has a mirror in it as well, which is quite handy, so you can sort of look behind and see your baby when you're carrying them, particularly useful if you're walking on your own. There we go. Right, now while we're at the front, so that's the main difference in storage. So that's quite significant, as you can see. Also on the hip belt front, this is the hip belt on the Poco, and on the Premium you have this section here which you can pull out and extend to give you a longer, basically, hip belt there, and it can tuck right back in if you don't need it. So that's a slight difference there. Okay, in terms of this area, the straps and the ability to carry a water bladder and the adjustability, both carriers are absolutely identical. So the actual frame inside the carriers, there's no difference between the two. And then that leads me to the sort of main other difference. I'm going to put them down like this so you can see the sort of cockpit area, as we call it. In the Poco, you have this section is identical. So the straps, you put your baby's arms in like that, and you clip them at the back of the shoulders. There's no difference between the two. But in the Poco, you can remove this drool pad here, whereas in the Premium, you can remove the drool pad and the larger part of the seat as well. Again, in that other video where we go into a bit more detail, which I showed earlier, if you want to see that, we show you how to take it out and put it back in again. So that's quite a big difference. I'll pop them up. Oh, while I'm here, the sunshade is identical on both of them. You just unzip from here and pull it out like so, and there's no difference between either carriers with that. Both carriers currently come with a rain cover, which when you buy it, you'll find it in the bottom seat here. Sometimes that changes country to country or season to season, so just double check before you buy. But currently they both come with a rain cover, but you can buy the carry case. That's an extra. It's a big black bag that you can fit both of them into. That's a good point, actually. In terms of compressibility, they're both identical. Obviously, if this was full, it wouldn't compress quite as much as this one, but in terms of how much you can collapse the frame, there's no difference there either. So I think that's most of the differences and similarities I've whipped through there. If I've missed anything, please let us know in the comments section below. In terms of usability, I would say if you're really into your outdoors and you're going to be doing longer hikes, you might, and you're prepared to carry the weight, you might want to go for the premium, just because it's got more storage. Obviously, having the ability to remove the seat is quite handy. If you go for this and you do have a big whoopsie somewhere and you need to get this all cleaned up, I would suggest just putting it in the shower and just a soft brush and soap and scrub it down like that and hose it off and just leave it to dry naturally. That works quite well as well. So yeah, 2 great carriers. Just depends how much storage you want and the little advantage of the seat and the hip belt, obviously. So any other questions, please put them in the comments below, and thanks for watching.